In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Xbox Series S controller is not connecting. So let's jump straight into it. So the first thing I would recommend is actually trying to connect your controller to a phone or like a PC or a tablet. And it's just going to rule out some problems to see if it is actually a fault with the controller or not. So to do that, what you're going to want to do is grab your phone, and what you want to do is go and turn on your Bluetooth. You want to actually come into your Bluetooth settings. So I'm just going to do that now. So here we are. As you can see, I've got my Bluetooth on. I'm in the Bluetooth screen. Now, once you've got your Bluetooth on, what you want to do is grab your controller, and on the top of the controller, you're going to see the sync button. So you want to go ahead and give that a press and just hold it down until the light starts blinking, just like this. Once the light starts blinking, come back to your phone and basically you want to scroll up and see if it picks up your controller. So in my case, you can see it's picked it up just down here. So what you want to do is try and connect to this on your phone. So it might come up with like a pairing request like this. You just want to go ahead and press pair. So you can see it's now trying to pair to the controller, and you can see we're now connected. So you can see the light has gone solid on the controller, which means we are connected to the device. So of course you want to run this quick test, because if it wouldn't connect your phone, then chances are it's a fault with the controller. It could be like a hardware issue. So in that case, you'd need to get in touch with Microsoft support for further advice and see if you're covered under warranty for the controller, so they can of course send you a replacement. So if that's all working well and good, what you can do is now try and do this by connecting to your console. So again, what you want to do is go ahead and press and hold the sync button on the top of the controller until the light starts blinking. And then what you want to do on your console, I'm going to move this out of the way, you can see the little black button down here. Go ahead and press that to start syncing your console to your controller. Now, if this does connect, then that's brilliant. As you can see, the lights are solid on both the console and the controller, so we know this is now connected. The final thing I would recommend trying is doing a power cycle. So to do this, what you're going to want to do is hold down the Xbox guide button and turn off your console. Once you turn off your console, you want to unplug the power cable and also take the batteries out of your Xbox controller. And you want to leave this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And what it's going to do is clear any faults or bugs or anything like that. And after the minute's up, just go ahead and plug the power cable back into the console, put your batteries back into your controller. And what you need to do is actually turn on your console using the controller. So when your console's off, you want to press and hold the Xbox guide button and see if it powers on your console. Now again, at this point, if you don't have any luck, you will need to contact Microsoft support for further advice and see if they can send you a replacement under warranty. But with that being said, that is some things you can try if your Xbox Series S controller is not connecting. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.